Can we create Telegram account with email? Hi everybody, if you are also wondering if you can create your account with email on Telegram, let's find out in this video without any delay. So for that, you can open up your Telegram app and you should be finding this interface on your login screen. So what you need to do next is you need to go ahead and if you want to create an account, you need to enter up a country code first, and you can just go ahead and use a country code and enter it here. And once you do that, you will be taken to this page, another page. So if you want to create your Telegram account with email, unfortunately, we don't have such way for now. Telegram registration requires a phone number for verification, not an email. But what you can do instead is you can add email for two-factor authentication instead. For that, once you have entered up this form by entering the country code and your phone number, you can head over to the section that is two-step verification. So go ahead and set up a password first. And once you enter up your password, you can set a recovery email to be able to reset your password and restore access to your Telegram account. So go ahead and enter on this section the email that you want to use as a two-step verification. After that, tap on this arrow, and once that is done, you should be having the Telegram account with email, not by creating an account with it, but using it as a two-step verification instead. So that is it for now. We can use this step if you want to use email in Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.